In this video, I'll show you how to install the prescription lenses for the Xreal Air. This is the entire lens package. The lens slots are very important. Let's begin our installation tutorial. First, grab the Xreal Air nose pads and pull outward. First, grab the nose pads of the Xreal Air and pull outward. Finally, grab the nose clip and place it back on the frame. That's it, no props needed. If you need to remove your prescription lenses, simply pull out the nose pads as in the first step. Then flip it over, pinch the center nose pad, and push outward. Your lenses will pop out. Then flip it over, pinch the center nose pad, and push outward. Your lenses will pop out. Okay, if you have any questions, please contact info@ANNKUTVR.com.